Recently, we introduced the functionality where you could generate a sales invoice from a dispatch of goods to your customer. So in this example, we have a sales order for nuts and bolts, and we're going to generate a dispatch to our customer. So from our actions menu, generate dispatch, start my dispatch, and the quantities that I'm going to dispatch in here. Again, if you had to amend the quantity, you can. I'm going to complete my dispatch, and once that has gone through, you can see from our actions menu that we have the ability now to generate an invoice. And when I click on that, it will bring through 50 nuts, 50 bolts as we dispatched. I'm going to take off the carriage and I'm simply going to save my invoice. I would send that to the relevant accountant package. For this example, I'm just going to authorize the invoice in here. If I go back to my sales order, I can see now that I have fully invoiced this sales order. I have 2 dispatches and I have 2 invoices. And that's how you generate a sales invoice from a sales dispatch. Thanks for watching.